Turn on the lights. Hello, clear view LEDs. Hello, arrowhead LEDs. Hello, XUV700. You're looking at the door handle of the XUV700. You really are. Hello, first in segment smart door handles. Hello, Adrenox. It connects to Alexa to open the skyroof. Creates immersive 3D music. Changes drive performance as per your mood. Hello, Intelligence. Hello, XUV700. It filters out 99% bacteria and 95% viruses. No, it's not an N95 mask. Hello, smart filter technology, designed for your protection. Hello. You are going fast, very fast. Your XUV700 tells you to slow down in your loved one's voice. You step off the pedal. Hello, personalized safety alerts. It's dark. The speedometer crosses 80. Your XUV700 notices it and switches on extra lights for extra safety. Hello, auto booster headlamp.